How to fix Facebook story quality problem on your Facebook account. Hello guys, how it's going today? I'm gonna show you and share with you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First, you will just open the settings of your phone. Then when it's open, you will just come here to apps or application. Then you will look or search for Facebook. This Facebook, you will just open it and you will scroll down and you will open storage. And on storage, you will go to the bottom of the screen and click on clear data. And then what you can do right now, just you will click OK. And that's it, it will work with you. So I hope this video is useful for you guys. Don't forget to like, also to subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.